guys, welcome back to the channel. And I know it's been almost 3 weeks since I last uploaded a video. So today, as you guys see by the title, we are actually installing a new front lip on Joy's car. And this is a last minute thing. We've had the lip for a while. We've just kind of been putting it off. I was gonna make Joy part of the video, but unfortunately, like, our schedules just didn't kind of line up, and then we kind of kept doing other stuff instead of working on the car. So there's a car show tomorrow. By the time you guys see it, the car show had already happened. So I'm doing this last minute by myself, and hopefully the vinyl is not messed up underneath the lip, because you guys can see that it's the M Performance style, and I'm hoping that the material inside of it is actually covering the whole bumper and it's not ruined. If it is, we might be in trouble. We're just gonna have to rock this lip at this point if the material underneath the bumper is messed up. Another thing with this car is that the previous owner damaged it or didn't really take care of it too well. So the hood is damaged and the fender has some damage. It's not severe damage, but it's noticeable, and if you're picky like I am, obviously you're gonna notice it, and anybody that walks up to the car is gonna notice it. So the color's been discontinued, so if this piece is messed up and we can't fix it, I can't clean it up, then I'm just gonna have to throw this lip on up until we finally get a new color for this car, because I contacted Tech Wrap and they were able to find me a section of the material, but at the cost of it, it's gonna be almost $300 just to get the material that I need. And on top of that, they did say that the variants, the shades of the blue might be different because depending on when they were made. That could be a factor. Also, this car was never garage kept after it got wrapped, so it's been sitting outside for about a year. So more than likely the color faded as well. And we just kind of figured there's no point of you know, getting these two pieces redone. So you can see, I think it was bird shit that I got on here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, there's like little drips. It looks like it's just stained, like something got on it, but it could be bird shit. It could be some type of soda or whatever. But it does look like little droplets over here, and then it just kind of smeared down. Could have been some wet bird shit. Here, they try to sand these parts, I guess, because of these little black specks that got on the vinyl. That was a mistake. From my understanding, only a few materials Tech, I think, and maybe the material that I use on that is actually you can polish it, but with this one, nope. So now we have two sanded areas, which is ugly. Anyways, we're gonna be trying to get this car wrapped probably sometime early next year. I'm not gonna do it just because based on that car that I'm working on, which, you know, we're gonna talk about it in a different video. I don't trust myself doing this, and I do want to make sure that it's done right, because obviously this is a car that we want to take to events, take it to car shows, and we want it to look right. That one was just more of a practice run for me, because I do want to learn how to wrap that way, so I don't, if I ever want to change the color of a car, I don't have to take it to a shop. You know, I can do it myself. So we're gonna go ahead and jack this up, take the lip off. Hopefully everything is in good shape. And then also, obviously I'm gonna try to fix the side markers because they're starting to peel off. We got this one that's terrible. Been kind of putting it off as well. And this is bad. Yep. So we're also gonna be taking the rear bumper extensions. I've never really been a fan of these because they don't flow all the way across. So I'm gonna remove those. But yeah, let me go ahead and jack the car up, and let's see what we got underneath here. So we are not going to be taking the lip off, because when I was trying to take the screw off that's down here, I decided to take a peek and look underneath here, and I noticed that they didn't wrap underneath the lip, so that's going to be a problem. If we take it off and we put the lip on, it's going to look ghetto being silver. So I was trying to figure out what to do in this situation, and the only thing that I can think of is taking the lip off and wrapping the part that goes along here black and putting the lip on, and at least that would kind of match with the side skirts. As the material that I have is actually gloss black. It's not satin black. It would be better if I had a satin black material, but all I have is gloss black, and that's the only thing that we got to work with. So it's either that or try to sand down the lip and Bondo it, and then try to wrap the whole lip in black. That's going to be a little bit more time consuming and risky if I'm able to fix it. So that's the two options that we have. Or option 3 is leave it like this and take it to the show like this, and then just figure it out later. So what option do you want to go with?
Just take it to the show.
Just leave it like this?
Yeah, because we already have a lot of things to do.
You don't want me to wrap it?
Nah.
Everything's alright with the violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with the violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the second day of the video. So we are actually in downtown Greensboro, where they are going to be having a car show going on later on today. Obviously, by the time you guys see this video, the car show already happened. So we were the first ones here, so we had a park over here. This is right at the beginning of the show, so it's going to keep on going that way, and then it stops at the stoplight over there, and then it kind of goes right. So this is our spot. We're next to a little pickup truck on bags, I believe. So it wasn't supposed to be raining, but it looks like we got some rain. But from the looks of it, I think we should be okay for now. I don't think it's gonna be raining anymore. So this is the actual perfect fall weather. Good for pictures. A little chilly, didn't bring a hoodie, but we'll be all right. So we're just gonna take a walk. We got Joe's car, gotta clean it up. Then here's the dead end. So yep, we got a coffee shop right there. I'm about to go grab some coffee. So what I'm gonna do is, once these cars start rolling in and everybody starts getting set up, I'm gonna be getting some footage, that way so I can get pictures or video of the car, actually more like videos of the cars once everybody's settled, and then I don't have to worry about people coming in around the cars whenever the crowd actually starts showing up. So just giving you guys a quick little update here on what's going on.
Everybody ready? Yeah. Y'all could have said no. 3, 2, 1.
Figured I will show you guys some of the after meet that was going on, which I was able to get, as you guys saw, some of the two-step competitions. So there was some big giant flames. Obviously it was from the VQs, which are known for having the flame tunes. It's kind of like it's a BMW, like BMWs have the burbles, VQs happen to have the flames. So I kind of want to do flames on my car, but obviously they're not going to be as crazy as what you guys just saw, because that's a little bit excessive. But that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to do a show process and everything, but it was just one of those things where some things didn't go as planned and everything. But you know, we're here, we got a video out. Hopefully the content was somewhat entertaining, even though I didn't really do a lot of talking during the event and all that. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and stay tuned for the E46 video coming up. Peace.